Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Stratus's STRAX token. All right guys, so if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then hey, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading, crypto news, pretty much anything crypto related on a daily basis, you guys. I live it, I eat it, I sleep it, I breathe it. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm going to continue to grow more and more every single day, you guys. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel or new to my long-term price prediction videos, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, actually, and I don't plan to sell anytime soon at all. So the way that I'm going to show you in this video today, pretty much the way that I've been finding out where I think the price is going to go for the last 5 years. It's a lot different than what most people use. I do like to do things differently than most people, and that's simply the way I do things. And hey, the thing here is, you guys, is I've been doing this for about 5 years now. For myself, not for you guys or for YouTube or anything, but for myself. And I'm not in the red on anything, so I must be doing something right. So. All right, guys, we are going to look and see where the long-term price prediction could be for Stratus. Now, guys, the thing with Stratus is it had a very, very, very huge run back when Bitcoin and crypto itself had a very large but back when it had its bull run of late 2017, early 2018, Stratus took off back then, and it had pretty much its biggest run back then. Now, to be realistic, you guys, and honest with you guys, I do not know if it's going to go that high again. It will go higher than where it's at right now, probably, but I don't know if it will go as high as it did back in 2017, 2018. Obviously, I'm not a magician. I can't tell you for sure. I can't guarantee anything, but with the math that I use and with the way that I do things, I can give you a general overall idea of where I think it could potentially go. So, let me go through this real quick and just show you real quick. So obviously, you guys, here's where I'm talking about. Back in late 2017, early 2018, where it went all the way up to an all-time high of like 22 some dollars or something like that. And then in this last most recent bull run, it only went to an all-time high of like $3.76. So as you guys can see, that is a huge. I mean, guys, if 20 some dollars and then an all-time high of $3.70 some cents, guys, that's a huge difference. So that's the reason pretty much why I don't know if it's going to go that high again. If it does, then my price prediction video here is going to be completely wrong. But hey, the thing here is, you guys, is I'm a conservative. I like to stay safe rather than sorry, because I don't like to lose money. So I like to make sure I'm safe rather than sorry. So I'm not going to do my math today to go as high as 20 some dollars, okay? Because that'd be pretty insane, and I don't know if it's going to do that again, to be honest with you, just brutally honest with you. But we'll check and see where it could potentially go, because I personally think, you guys, that STRAX can easily reach a market cap of $1 billion at some point again, at some point in time. I don't think it's a matter of if, I think it's a matter of when. But I do think it will easily go back up to that, up to those numbers at some point in time. So we're going to see where the price would be if it went up to a market cap of roughly $1 billion again at some point in time, you guys. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the circulating supply and we're going to start multiplying some numbers and see what we can get. Now, obviously, guys, the circulating supply is probably not going to, it's probably not going to be where it's at right now. I mean, it could be, but we're going to go ahead and use this number anyway, just for shits and giggles here, you guys. So obviously, let's see what first of all, I want to see what the market cap was back here when it went up to this all-time high, okay? Because that's pretty nuts right there. So we're going to take 134,176,383 tokens, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 20. What is the all-time high here exactly? Multiply it by $22.66, so 22.66, and we're going to come out with, it was roughly at a market cap of roughly $3 billion, you guys. Now, again, I don't know if it's going to go that high. I really don't. And I'm not going to do my math based on that either, because again, that was a very, very high all-time high. So I'm going to go with, I'm going to see where it can go if the market cap gets to $1 billion, okay? So we are going to take 134,176,383. I'm going to remember that number. And we're going to go ahead and multiply it by, let's see where we're at if it goes to like $5. Okay, so we go to $5 and we are going to have a market cap of roughly 670 million. Okay, so we're still roughly about 330 million less of where I think it could potentially go long term. So clearly higher than $5. We'll try $7 next and see where we're at. So $7 times 134 million. 176,383. We're going to come out with 939 million. Okay, or billion. Yeah, million, sorry. So a little higher than that. We'll try $7.25 next. Okay, so 7.25. Go ahead and multiply that by 134 million, 176,000. 383, you guys, and we've got 972,000. So any higher than that, I think it's probably going to go over that 1 billion mark. So I'm probably going to go ahead and stick with my number here of $7.25, you guys. So for the sake of this video, my long-term price prediction for STRAX is going to be $7.25, okay? Now again, in another bull run, I believe it can truly easily get up there, no problem whatsoever. So we're going to see what a potential return on your investment would be if you were to spend, like $10,000 and buy into STRAX right now, okay? So we will take $10,000, and the reason why I use 10,000, you guys, is because, I mean, me personally, that's the number I usually use when I buy into a new long-term hold, if the capital is available anyway. I don't know about anybody else, but that seems like a pretty standard number around the crypto space. So anyway, we'll take $10,000, all right? We're going to go ahead and divide that by 0.93, and we are going to come out with 10,752 coins. So 10,752 coins, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by $7.25, you guys. You're going to come out with $77,950, okay? That is a very, very, very solid return on your investment, you guys. A very solid return on your investment, especially if you're just buying and holding for the long term. I mean, you got to really think about it, you guys. You're not doing anything to make this. You're literally just buying and holding long term. You don't have to deal with the risks of like day trading or any crap like that. You don't have to deal with any risk whatsoever. You're literally just buying and holding. So, if you had to wait 5 years for it to get to that level, and that's a pretty solid return on your investment. And in the long run, you guys, if you guys are serious about investing long term, you'll probably have other positions in other coins at the same time as well. So you're going to make this plus whatever you make from other coins as well in the long term. So, I mean, this can really take off in the long run for sure. So realistically, you guys, your return on your investment here is roughly going to be about $67,000. Yeah, it's going to be roughly about $67,900, which is, again, guys, very, very, very solid. So, guys, let's see here. My overall price prediction is going to be $7.25, but overall, you guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, don't forget to, again, follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or, hey, chatting with me here on Twitter.